Hey, what is up YouTube? Welcome back to Buddy Technoboy, and in this video I'm gonna unbox this another mini speaker, Bluetooth speaker, and this model number is WS887. This is a bit bigger than the last one and a bit heavier than the last one too, so let's just quickly open it up. Okay, so at the top we get this USB charging cable, and here a 3.5mm card for auxiliary input, and this is the product. Okay, the look is nice. It's in blue color, kind of blue I think. Anyway, well, let me tell you the price. The price is 250 INR only from a local store, not online. So at the top you get the speaker, and this is a metal grill, and at the center this metal piece which looks very nice, and at the bottom there is the on-off switch, you can see that, and around this a rubber pad, fit pad, and here the USB for pen drive using, I think, and there's a few buttons here: the mode, play, pause. You can receive call also, and previous snakes, volume plus, volume minus. That's it. This is this DC 5V input, and this is the auxiliary input, and here you get the TF card, and here is the mic. So this is it, pretty basic. And now we're going to check the sound, so let's turn this on.
The Bluetooth device is ready to pair.
Well, good to know that. Now we're going to connect this. Here is the 887.
The Bluetooth device is connected successfully.
Okay, so the connection is done. Now let's play some NCS music, and let's check the sound.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah.
Well, I must tell you that the sound is pretty loud and clear, and the sound is pretty good at this price range. I didn't expect that much, so
No, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
also let me tell you that the sound, as I told you, is pretty good, and the bass is also, you can feel it, the beat, and not so heavy bass, but you can feel a little bit that you cannot expect from this tiny speaker. But I can hear it and I like it for that more. So
but gravity pulls you straight down. Earth from a bird's eye view. You should grow feathers and say this too. When you want to get off the darkest ground, but gravity pulls you straight down. When you want to get off the darkest ground, but gravity pulls you straight down.
alright, so as I told you before, the sound is pretty loud and clear, and you can feel the beat also. So from this tiny speaker, I mean at $250, it's a value for money product. And I don't know how good my camera is peaking the sound, but in person, if you hear it, it's really nice. And yeah, if you want to get a Bluetooth speaker at a cheap price, then you can go for it. So I told you the model number, it's WS887, and you can get it from any local store, electronic store, I think. So that's it, guys. That's all for today. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.